Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Realme 9 Pro Plus does have the dual SIM slot. And to do this we'll need to find the slot first, and it's right here on the left side. And we need to open the case. Now take a needle from the box and stick it in the gap right here. Use a bit of the force to release it, then we can remove the slot, and inside there's actually dual SIM slot. You can put one right here and another one right here, and it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.